What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick 2019 update of the 68 Fastback. I haven't made a video on it in quite a while, so do a little tour here and see what's different since I got it. I added the bumper guards right there that you can see, as well as I retrofitted a 1967 Camaro chin spoiler to give it a more aggressive look, which I definitely think it does. Had to get a little custom with it, but overall it worked out. It fits nice and it looks pretty good. Aside from cleaning it up big and detailing it tremendously, done mostly maintenance on it with a few upgrades. New reverse light housings, gaskets, lenses, everything like that. The other ones were shot and all pitted, so I've replaced those. On the interior, I have them covered now just for when I go shows. Got some nice new floor mats, a little dirty, haven't driven the car yet this year, just started. Painted that relocation plate there, cleaned up the shifter, resprayed the dash, added a new steering wheel here, GT Grant, and actually got the horn to work. So the horn didn't work either, I should say. There we go. So got the tri-bar pony horn emblem and got the horn to work, readjusted all the gauges. Got the new the belt line moldings in. These were all missing, so the glass would just rattle like crazy. New door lock pins and bezels as well. Under the hood, which was most of the work, I'd say. So it's a lot cleaner. If you remember or look at the first video I made, I only drove it a couple times and the ignition actually fried on me and I couldn't figure it out. Initially, I had a whole Mallory setup with a red cap. It's a Mallory full distributor and MSD blaster coil with an old MSD box. So I tried replacing the module, that didn't work. I did new Ford Racing wires and Autolite plugs, that didn't work. And I replaced the coil, which didn't work, and a brand new MSD box, also didn't work. Found out it was the actual pickup in the distributor itself, so replaced that with a new distributor, retimed it, and it's been running good ever since. Painted the block, new fuel hose and new fuel filter, cleaned up the starter solenoid, repolished the tanks, new air cleaner, painted the inside more, and the back there, you can see it's a lot cleaner than it used to be. So I'm sure there's a ton of things that I am forgetting, a lot of little maintenance, obviously oil changes, coolant flushes, diff service. I had to do the whole rear brakes, you can't see, but I'm getting all new shoes. The drums had to get recut, new brake cylinders, everything like that. So a lot of maintenance, bushings, lights, things of that nature. But this is her 68 Fastback Pro Street 460. Not perfect, but overall in pretty good shape. Some other things too, I'll show you the tubs in the back. I'm in the process of putting a rear view mirror in. This is the tub setup, all the metal work done. And these were actually open holes when I got it. So I tapped in some speaker grills so that there's not just some blank holes there. And that's pretty much it since I had it. Just a lot of upkeep and maintenance. And I'll be sure to do some more videos of this car soon. Take it out to some cruise nights, some car shows, detail it up, might ceramic coat it. And if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. Again, 460 big block, 40 over, big cam, C6 trans with a Ford 9-inch rear. A couple other things I forgot to mention. I did the radio delete panel. I had the original bezel that was all chipped up, and it's also missing the radio. The radio is bypassed, as well as the heater core and half the other things in this car. So I found a company that makes a radio delete panel. So I installed that as well to clean up the interior a little bit. And then I also did a wiper delete. I had the wipers, they do work. It's just, I'm not driving this thing in the winter. And they stick up kind of high on the windshield. So to give it a more sleeker and clean appearance, I used some vacuum caps, capped that off, and adds to the race car look. So I did a wiper delete as well.